Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. So this is very simple. First, select the column where you have your text and want to highlight your duplicates, click on Format and then click on Conditional Formatting. Now, here go to Format Rules and set this to Custom Formula Is. Here in Value or Formula window, you will have to type equals count if, then brackets, and more than one. And here you will type a, comma, a1. And right now you can change the color as well. So let's change it to red and press done. Now, as you can see, the duplicates are highlighted. So it is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.